I-20.
Westbound.
Westbound. What mile marker is this?
41.
Exit 41, we're passing by. This is what happens when you're not prepared for a snowstorm.
That truck jacking it down.
Look at that. Ran off the road.
Wow.
Atlanta needs to get some snow plows.
They need to spend the money whether they need it or not. Look at this shit.
Yeah, it looks like he's been trying hard to get out of there.
I don't know what he put underneath there. It still got stuck.
And there's more to keep coming.
Once you get into the embankment, you can't get out. I got people following me because I got chains.